So Robotti's been up in Bowen since about April last year, so that's about 8 months from now. And yeah, we've been planting about 200 hectares of corn, sweet corn for market. Robotti is a tool carrier. It's got the navigation to, drive the straight lines, to take the implement where it needs to be and to get the job done. So really the implement that you put in the back is really governing what type of job you can be doing. So every farm's unique, and I think the ability to be able to plan in so many different ways and to set the Robotti up to suit a lot of different farming styles is what gives it the flexibility to use all those different implements. We can do different widths, we can do different speeds, we can do linkages, we've got PDO, different types of managing headlands and turning around and shapes of fields and planting pivots, you name it.
It's got the capabilities of working all day, every day, non-stop, which takes a lot of time and pressure off us, and we can then have a look into refining some of our operations here and really striving to hit a next benchmark for what is sustainable and what is productive under the land here.
Looking at Robotti today, even though it's working in horticulture, the applications that I can see it actually transitioning over to sugarcane crop, it could be a big game changer in some areas. An unmanned machine with its boundary set, it can be working while we're doing something else. Hopefully we will get younger people interested in this type of tech and come back to agriculture, because we're going to need that support going forward. Coming here today to see agriculture industries just adopting this technology and sharing it outside of their own fields or their own crops, there's more and more of that happening now. So we're basically looking over the neighbour's fence to other crops to see what we can do in the crops that we're growing and how we can adapt their technology and share ours with them. So it's just advancing agriculture.